Hi, I'm Pranali. I am the co-founder and COO at Topt. I'm going to speak on a very interesting and relevant topic, which is the new normals for marketing for 2020. Most of us will agree that we had not foreseen what was coming for 2020. We had all set amazing plans and projections for this year, and nobody saw a pandemic coming. Given that most of the people in the leadership team, in the management team, would agree with me that our projections, all our plans are not going to work out the way we had planned. So, how to make this work in this unprecedented and most unusual time? How to make business work and how to still carry out marketing and sales in this kind of a situation. So most of us by now must have agreed that we need to come up with something agile, we need to come up with something more flexible, we need to come up with marketing plans, sales plans that could be implemented on a trial and error basis so that we know what is working, what is not working. So to make it work, I do have some pointers for marketing and sales, which hopefully you can implement and see if that goes well for your business. So the first point from me would be that tap into your existing accounts, tap into your existing clients. That would work if you can map your clients' roadmaps, if you can have an intuitive take on your clients, if you could intuitively map what they would need to make it in this critical time. That would require a lot of research, that would require a lot of relationship building with your client, that would require a lot of talking to the client to penetrate the account more. You will somehow have to establish a rapport with your client and find out what is their vision now, what kind of plan they have in place, what is their need now, and what kind of shortcomings would they want to get over quickly in order to make their business work. So you need to enable them to make more business, to make more clients, so that you establish yourself as a partner for your client to suffice for their needs. What I mean to say is, if you could aggregate with more partners, more businesses, and become a one-stop shop for your clients, and you could help them in delivering what their client wants. So this could happen if you can get into a account nurturing as well as an account retention mode. For that, what I would suggest is your sales team should immediately stop selling. So get out of the selling mode and start to get into more of an enabling mode for your clients. How you can get out of the selling mode and get into more of a consulting or enabling mode for your client is by not asking clients what they want. You need to be intuitive, you need to be a little bit more out there and understand the client more. You could start off by building intuitive propositions for your clients so that you can team up more with them and understand what kind of a roadmap they have and where you can align with them. So leaders in organizations, management teams in organizations will now have to build more leadership team and will have to slowly transition marketing and sales into your new leadership team. This leadership team will involve clients and will engage with them to find out some more business propositions which you can align with your client, so that you have a good model with your client to run in this unprecedented time. A lot of debate is going out over there whether organizations should still carry out PPC campaigns, should still carry out inbound outbound sales campaign. Are these campaigns still eligible or not? Well, I would say that all businesses should now rely heavily on PPCs as well as sales campaigns. It could be inbound as well as outbound campaigns, a combination of both, a hybrid model which would get you some leads. Even in this situation, I would recommend that whenever you go out there approaching people through any channel, any medium, there has to be a empathetic approach to it. The messaging, what you write as content when you approach a prospect in the market, it should be very empathetic. It should be more aligned to what the situation is right now. I strongly recommend that all these campaigns should be on very intelligent segmentations of what the target audience is. A very analytical approach should be taken to the campaigns, with a lot of insightful data to help you map the budget that you have to the PPC as well as the sales and marketing campaigns that you will be doing. I would again stress that your message should be highly personalized. It could be an advert or an email that you're sending out to a prospect. The messaging should be very personalized to the need that the target market or the target audience would have at this point of time. So as I said earlier, while tapping into your accounts, you need to be a little bit more intelligent and intuitive towards what your clients' needs could be. It is the same approach to the campaigns that you'll be taking. So you should be taking a more intuitive approach to what your target market would require at this point of time, and message accordingly to the target audience. That brings me to the important question, that how to get out there. What are the channels? What are the mediums? Well, I would say that cut your offline channels and go online. So this is a very good time to go overtly overboard on all the digital as well as online mediums that you have, where you could advertise and where you could do campaigns to get business. It is obvious that this year a lot of conferences, trade shows, billboards, seminars as channels would be mitigated because of the situation right now, and a lot of budget from these channels can be channelized into digital practices. So it could be boost campaigns to AdWords, to a lot of outbound sales campaigns that you can do. But most of the channels that you should be going for is digital. I would again reinstate in this case is that you should have a highly segmented and highly personalized approach to the digital mediums that you would be going for, right from the messaging to what kind of platforms you will be choosing. You need to be very precise and very analytical about it. You should get a digital expert who would help and guide you on what kind of platforms and what kind of campaigns you should be doing, what kind of budget you should be throwing in, and in fact how you're going to go about all these digital campaigns, how you can utilize all this budget that you had for offline activities and channelize that into online activities so that you can get maximum ROI. The new normal, the biggest new normal that is being set right now is leadership teams, which is the management teams, as well as I said that your sales and marketing is now your leadership team, have to come out and speak. So the new normal right now is creating a lot of content, videos, as well as a lot of seminars online, where you could evangelize about what kind of service you have that could help other businesses in this kind of a situation. Thought leadership videos are in right now. A lot of leadership team members are making videos where they are talking about how they are aligned to businesses, which are their target audience, and how they can help them. Your videos will need to be expressive, will need to be empathetic. The content has to be real. So it can't be advertisement videos where you are pushing a particular service or you are just trying to sell. That is no longer going to work now. So the new normal is to be real and to put your thoughts out there through a medium. Best could be a channel that you can start, or videos that you can make out there that could really reach your target audience. So most of you must be thinking, what's new that I said right now? We already knew these 4 points, we're already doing that. Well, I have one major advice for everyone, that is failure. So you might get these 4 points, you might understand them, but when it goes into implementation, there is a big chance of failure, because this is new and this is going to go by trial and error method, at least for the year 2020, till you get the formula that you want and that is going to give you results. What I would say is, in order to mitigate the chance of failures, plan your bidding costs, manage your budgets, see how you can apply them, choose the right channel, choose the right platforms. What would be very important is what kind of messaging you're putting out there. Your creativity will be your number one savior. So what kind of creative content you can come up with and you can put out there that would really appeal to your target audience. For that, first you'll have to understand who is your target audience. You'll have to segment your target audience properly so that you can have messages aligned to your particular target segment. The key will be creativity, which is aligned and narrowed down to a voice which would appeal to a particular audience that you're targeting. So that's all from my side. I hope these 4 points that I said, as well as the key formula that I have shared with you, help you in the marketing that you will be doing for 2020. If you have any questions or if you need some more advice from me, please feel free to write your question in the comments, or you can email me at pranali@talk.co. So stay safe everyone, and see you again in the next video. Ciao.